Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to share Perplexity Spaces with other people so they can view your space and its content. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Perplexity AI website. Once you're signed into your account, open the space that you want to share. After the space opens, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a Share button, click on it. A sharing window will appear with two different access options. The first option is People with Access can view. Choose this option if you want to share the space with specific people who already have access or whom you want to invite individually. The second option is Anyone with the link can view. Select this if you want anyone who has the shared link to be able to view the space without adding each person individually. Now it's completely up to you which sharing method you prefer. If you only want to share it with specific people, use the first option. If you want anyone with the link to access it, choose the second option. Once you've selected the option that works best for you, copy the share link or send the invitation, and your space will be shared successfully. And that's it. I hope this video helped you learn how to share Perplexity Spaces. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.